Picture yourself floating in the endless expanse of the cosmos, surrounded by a tapestry of stars, each one a distant spark glowing softly in the infinite night. The universe feels vast and timeless, its lights steady, its mysteries whispering gently to your mind. Tonight, we embark on a journey through one of the strangest enigmas the stars have ever revealed: the vanishing star of 1952. Imagine a single star, bright and constant, shining for centuries in a quiet corner of the sky, until one night it disappears, leaving no trace, no echo, just a silent void where its light once danced. What could make a star vanish from the heavens? Let's drift into this mystery, letting its quiet wonder envelop us like a soft cosmic breeze. In the summer of 1952, astronomers at the Palomar Observatory in California were mapping the night sky, their telescopes focused on the constellation Lupus, a faint cluster of stars in the southern heavens. They were capturing photographic plates, snapshots of the cosmos, each one a record of countless stars frozen in time. Among them was a star catalogued as VY Canis Minoris, not a dazzling giant or a flickering dwarf, but a steady beacon, glowing reliably as it had for millions of years. It was unremarkable in its consistency, just one of many stars documented by the observatory's careful team. But when they developed the plates from a warm July night, something was amiss. The star was gone. Not dimmed, not hidden by a passing cloud of dust, just gone, as if it had never been there at all. This wasn't a small star, easily missed in the vastness of space. It was massive, at least 10 times the size of our sun, a stellar giant. That should have burned brightly for eons. Stars of this magnitude don't simply fade away. When they die, they end in spectacle, erupting in a supernova that lights up the sky, outshining entire galaxies for weeks. Or they collapse into a black hole, their gravity, warping the space around them, leaving traces we can detect with our instruments. But VY Canis Minoris offered no such farewell. There was no explosion, no remnant, no hint of what had happened. The astronomers checked their telescopes, recalibrated their equipment, and scanned the same patch of sky night after night. The star remained absent, its place in the cosmos now a quiet emptiness. Imagine that empty spot in the sky, a patch of darkness where a star once shone. The universe feels stiller there, as if it's guarding a secret it won't reveal. The Palomar team was renowned for their precision, their work a cornerstone of modern astronomy. They reviewed earlier plates, confirming the star's presence just months before, its light clear and unmistakable. This wasn't an error. The star had been there, burning steadily until it wasn't. Could something have obscured it? Cosmic dust clouds can dim starlight, but they move slowly, over centuries, and no such cloud was detected in Lupus. A planet or asteroid passing by? Impossible. The star was light years away, far beyond the reach of our solar system's wanderers. The disappearance was complete, a cosmic riddle, written in the dark. The astronomers turned to theories, their minds reaching into the vast unknown for answers. One possibility was a rare event called a failed supernova. In this scenario, a massive star collapses into a black hole without the usual explosive display, its core imploding and swallowing its outer layers in an instant. It's a quiet death, leaving no visible trace. But even a failed supernova should leave clues, a faint gravitational ripple, a shift in the light of nearby stars, or a whisper of infrared heat from the collapse. The telescopes of 1952, though advanced for their era, found no such signs. The star's vanishing act was clean, almost intentional, as if it had been erased from the sky by an unseen force. What if something stranger was at play? Some scientists, with a spark of wonder, suggested an idea that feels like a dream. What if an advanced alien civilization harnessed the star's energy, cloaking it with technology we can't comprehend? A Dyson sphere, a vast structure built to capture a star's light, could hide it from our view, redirecting its energy for purposes beyond our imagination. But such a structure would emit heat, detectable as infrared radiation, and no such signal was found in Lupus. Still, the idea lingers. A vision of a civilization so advanced it could steal a star, leaving us to gaze at an empty sky, wondering what lies beyond our reach. Other theories venture even deeper into the unknown. What if the star didn't vanish, but slipped somewhere else, through a wormhole, perhaps, or into another dimension entirely? The physics we understand don't allow for such things, but the universe is vast, and our knowledge is only a flicker in its expanse. Maybe VY Canis Minoris crossed a boundary we can't yet see, stepping into a realm beyond our telescopes. Or perhaps it was never a star at all, but something else, a cosmic illusion, a mirage that flickered out when its time was done. These ideas pull us gently into the mystery, like a current carrying us toward the unknown. The vanishing star of 1952 is more than a puzzle for astronomers. It's a quiet invitation to wonder. In the decades since, scientists have returned to that patch of sky with ever more powerful tools: optical telescopes, radio arrays, X-ray observatories, all searching for a clue. They've found nothing. No debris, no black hole, no trace of the star that once burned so brightly. The mystery remains untouched, a soft enigma that doesn't demand answers, only curiosity. It's a reminder that the universe is full of secrets, some so vast they feel like dreams we're only beginning to explore. Picture yourself lying beneath that starless sky, the cosmos stretching out above you, endless and calm, the absence of VY Canis Minoris is like a lullaby, a gentle reminder that not every question needs an answer. The stars around it still shine, their light crossing vast distances to reach you. But that one empty space tells a story of its own. Maybe it's a star that chose to hide, or a secret the universe keeps for itself. Whatever it is, it's a mystery that wraps around you, soft and weightless, inviting you to rest in its embrace. Let's linger here a moment longer, drifting in the quiet where the star once was. The universe is a tapestry of wonders, things that vanish, things that defy, things that lull us into peace. The vanishing star of 1952 is one such wonder, a tale that doesn't need solving to be beautiful. It's a reminder that the cosmos is vast, its secrets gentle and endless, offering a space for your thoughts to soften, to wander, to rest. As you listen, let your mind float like stardust, carried by the quiet rhythm of the heavens. The star is gone, but its absence is a gift, a silent canvas for your dreams. And so, we leave this mystery behind, not answered, but cherished. The universe is full of stories like this, each one a thread in the great weave of the unknown. Let the vanishing star of 1952 guide you tonight, its silent absence a gentle lullaby for your mind. As we drift toward the next mystery, carry this calm with you, letting the cosmos hold you softly in its embrace. The stars are waiting, their secrets whispering, and you're already slipping closer to sleep. Imagine yourself drifting through the boundless expanse of the cosmos, surrounded by an endless sea of stars and the soft glow of ancient light. The universe stretches out before you, vast and quiet, its mysteries whispering gently to your mind. Tonight, we explore one of the strangest enigmas hidden in the fabric of the cosmos, the mystery of the cosmic cold spot. Picture a vast region of the sky, stretching across billions of light years, where the universe's oldest light is inexplicably colder, darker, emptier than it should be. Why does this patch of the heavens defy everything we know about the cosmos? Let's float into this mystery, letting its quiet wonder wrap around us like a gentle cosmic breeze. When we look at the universe, we see not just stars and galaxies, but the faint afterglow of its birth, the cosmic microwave background, a snapshot of the Big Bang's fading embers. This glow is nearly uniform, a soft hum of radiation that blankets the sky, telling us the universe began in a hot, dense flash 13.8 billion years ago. But in 2004, astronomers studying this ancient light with NASA's Wilkinson Microwave Anisotropy Probe noticed something peculiar in the constellation Eridanus. There, in a region spanning billions of light years, the cosmic microwave background was colder than expected. Not by much, just a fraction of a degree, but enough to stand out like a shadow in the sky. They called it the cosmic cold spot, a vast anomaly that challenges our understanding of the universe's earliest moments. This wasn't a small quirk. The cold spot is enormous, stretching roughly 1 billion light-years across, far larger than any structure we'd expect in the early universe. To put that in perspective, 1 billion light-years could hold millions of galaxies, yet this region seems eerily empty, its light dimmer, its temperature lower than the rest of the cosmic background. Imagine gazing at a tapestry woven with the universe's first light and finding a single patch where the threads are thinner, the colors muted. The discovery sent ripples through the scientific community because the cold spot doesn't fit our models of how the universe formed. The cosmic microwave background should be random, a chaotic echo of the Big Bang. But this anomaly feels deliberate, like a fingerprint left by something unknown. Astronomers began to search for answers, their theories stretching into the quiet depths of the cosmos. One idea was that the cold spot is a statistical fluke, a random variation in the universe's ancient light. After all, in a cosmos so vast, strange patterns can emerge by chance. But the cold spot is too large, too distinct, to be easily dismissed as coincidence. Calculations suggest the odds of such an anomaly forming naturally are less than 1 in 100, making it a puzzle that demands explanation. Could it be a flaw in our measurements? The Wilkinson probe was precise, and later observations by the Planck satellite in 2013 confirmed the cold spot's existence, deepening the mystery. The universe, it seems, is hiding something in that frigid patch of sky. Imagine floating toward that vast cold void, where the stars are sparse and the cosmic light grows faint. One theory suggests the cold spot is a supervoid, an enormous region of space with fewer galaxies, stars, and matter than expected. Such a void could bend, the light passing through it, cooling the cosmic microwave background and creating the illusion of a colder region. In 2015, astronomers using telescopes in Hawaii found evidence of a supervoid in the cold spot's direction, a region with less matter than its surroundings. But the void wasn't empty enough to fully explain the anomaly. It was vast, yes, but not vast enough to account for the cold spots, chilling depth. The mystery lingered, like a whisper in the dark, unanswered and elusive. Another theory ventures into the realm of the fantastic. What if the cold spot is a scar from a cosmic collision, a place where our universe brushed against another? The multiverse theory suggests our cosmos is just one of many, each with its own laws and dimensions. If another universe grazed ours in the distant past, it could have left a mark, a cold, empty bruise in the cosmic microwave background. This idea feels like a dream, doesn't it? Picture our universe as a bubble floating among countless others, its edges touching another reality, leaving a shadow we can see but not understand. The cold spot could be a window to that other realm, a glimpse of something beyond the boundaries of our cosmos. Yet, not all theories are so grand. Some scientists propose a simpler explanation. A cosmic texture, a ripple in space-time left over from the universe's infancy. These textures, theoretical folds in the fabric of reality, could distort the cosmic microwave background, creating patches of colder light. But detecting such a texture is beyond our current technology, leaving the idea as a possibility, not a certainty. Other researchers suggest the cold spot might be an illusion caused by our own galaxy's dust or radiation. But detailed studies have ruled out these local effects. The cold spot remains a puzzle, its chilly presence a quiet challenge to everything we think we know about the universe. Imagine drifting deeper into that cold, empty region, the stars fading around you, the universe's ancient light growing dim. The cosmic cold spot is more than a scientific anomaly. It's a reminder of how vast and mysterious the cosmos remains. Since its discovery, astronomers have aimed ever more powerful telescopes at Eridanus, searching for clues in radio waves, X-rays, and infrared light. They've found no definitive answers, only more questions. The cold spot stands as a silent enigma, a piece of the universe that doesn't fit, a shadow that invites us to wonder without demanding resolution. Picture yourself lying beneath that strange cold sky, the cosmos stretching out above you, vast and serene. The cold spot is like a lullaby, its mystery soft and endless, a reminder that the universe holds secrets we may never fully grasp. Its chilly presence doesn't need to be solved to be beautiful. It's a quiet invitation to let your thoughts wander, to float in the vastness of the unknown. Maybe it's a scar from another universe, or a void so vast it swallows light itself. Whatever it is, it's a mystery that wraps around you, gentle and weightless, like a dream you're already slipping into. Let's linger here a moment longer, drifting in the quiet chill of the cosmic cold spot. The universe is a canvas of wonders, things that defy, things that elude, things that lull us into peace. The cold spot is one such wonder, a tale that doesn't need answers to soothe the mind. It's a reminder that the cosmos is vast, its secrets soft and endless, offering a space for your thoughts to soften, to drift, to rest. As you listen, let your mind float like stardust, carried by the gentle rhythm of the heavens. The cold spot is there, a silent shadow in the sky, a gift of mystery for your dreams. And so, we leave this enigma behind, not solved, but cherished. The universe is full of stories like this, each one a thread in the great weave of the unknown. Let the cosmic cold spot guide you tonight, its quiet chill a gentle lullaby for your mind. As we drift toward the next mystery, carry this calm with you, letting the cosmos hold you softly in its embrace. The stars are waiting, their secrets whispering, and you're already slipping closer to sleep. Imagine yourself drifting through the boundless cosmos, surrounded by a tapestry of stars, galaxies, and shimmering clouds of gas. The universe feels infinite, its elements woven together in a delicate balance, each part a piece of a grand cosmic puzzle. Tonight, we explore one of the strangest mysteries the universe holds: the missing baryonic matter. Picture the building blocks of everything. We know stars, planets, dust, and gas scattered across the heavens. Scientists tell us a certain amount of this matter should exist, forged in the fiery birth of the universe. Yet, nearly half of it is missing, hidden somewhere in the vastness of space. Where could it be? Let's float into this enigma, letting its quiet wonder wrap around us like a gentle cosmic breeze. The universe is made of stuff, ordinary matter, the kind that forms everything we can see or touch. Astronomers call this baryonic matter, the protons and neutrons that build stars, planets, and even our own bodies. When the Big Bang sparked the cosmos 13.8 billion years ago, it created a precise amount of this matter, enough to shape the galaxies and clusters we observe today. Scientists can calculate how much baryonic matter should exist, based on the universe's earliest light and the way galaxies form. We see some of it in the bright spirals of galaxies, in the glowing nebulae, and in the thin gas clouds drifting between stars. But when astronomers add it all up, they come up short. Nearly half of the expected baryonic matter is nowhere to be found, like a cosmic ledger missing half its entries. This isn't a small discrepancy. The missing matter accounts for billions of suns worth of material, enough to form countless stars and planets. Imagine the universe as a vast ocean, with galaxies as islands of light scattered across its surface. Between these islands lies the cosmic web, a delicate network of filaments, walls, and voids that holds the universe together. Astronomers long suspected that the missing baryonic matter might be hiding in these filaments, faint strands of gas stretching across billions of light years. These regions are so diffuse, so faint, that they're nearly invisible to our telescopes. Yet, even when we search these cosmic threads, the matter we find doesn't account for what's missing. The universe is holding back a secret, its pieces scattered in places we can't yet see. Astronomers have spent decades searching for this hidden matter, their instruments probing the depths of space. In 2017, a breakthrough came when two teams used powerful X-ray telescopes to detect faint wisps of hot gas in the cosmic web, glowing at millions of degrees. These filaments, stretching between distant galaxies, held some of the missing baryonic matter, locked in. Clouds too faint to see with ordinary telescopes. The discovery was exciting, a glimpse of the universe's hidden architecture. But it wasn't enough. The gas they found accounted for only a fraction of the missing matter, leaving the rest still unaccounted for. The cosmic ledger remained unbalanced, the mystery deepening with every new observation. Imagine floating through that cosmic web, drifting past delicate strands of gas that shimmer faintly in the dark. Could the missing matter be hiding in even fainter regions, too dim for our current instruments to detect? Some scientists believe it's scattered across the universe in warm, hot, intergalactic medium, a thin soup of particles spread so thinly it's nearly invisible. This gas, heated to millions of degrees, could be lurking in the vast spaces between galaxies, blending into the cosmic background. But detecting it is a challenge. Its faint glow is drowned out by brighter objects, like trying to hear a whisper in a storm. Telescopes like Chandra and XMM Newton have caught glimpses of this gas, but not enough to close the gap. The missing matter remains elusive, a shadow in the cosmos. Another theory suggests the missing baryonic matter might not be missing at all, but transformed into something we can't easily measure. What if it's locked in exotic forms, like ultra-faint dwarf galaxies too dim to see? These ghostly galaxies, filled with ancient stars and sparse gas, could hold pockets of matter we've overlooked. Or perhaps the matter is trapped in compact objects, rogue planets, dead stars, or even small black holes that don't emit enough light to be detected. Imagine a universe filled with invisible worlds, drifting silently in the dark, their presence felt only through their gravity. These ideas stretch the mind, inviting us to wonder what else the cosmos might be hiding. Some theories venture into the realm of the fantastic. What if the missing matter isn't in our universe at all? The idea of a multiverse, where other realities exist alongside ours, suggests that baryonic matter could have slipped through cosmic boundaries, leaking into another dimension. This is speculative, a dreamlike possibility that physics can't yet test. Or perhaps our calculations are wrong, and the universe created less matter than we think. But the cosmic microwave background, the universe's oldest light, tells us our estimates should be correct. The discrepancy persists, a quiet riddle that whispers of the universe's hidden depths. Imagine drifting deeper into the cosmic web, the faint glow of gas filaments surrounding you. The universe vast and serene. The missing baryonic matter is more than a scientific puzzle. It's a reminder of how much the cosmos keeps from us. Since the 2017 discoveries, astronomers have continued their search, using ever more sensitive instruments to probe the spaces between galaxies. They've found traces of matter in distant quasars, whose light is bent by invisible gas clouds, and in the faint X-ray glow of cosmic aeros filaments. But each discovery only chips away at the mystery, leaving most of the missing matter unaccounted for. The universe remains a place of secrets, its hidden pieces scattered like stardust in the dark. Picture yourself lying beneath a sky filled with galaxies, their light a soft reminder of the universe's grandeur. The missing baryonic matter is like a lullaby, its mystery gentle and endless, a reminder that not every question needs an answer to be beautiful. Maybe it's hiding in the cosmic web, or locked in invisible worlds we'll never see. Whatever it is, it's a mystery that wraps around you, soft and weightless, inviting you to rest in its embrace. The universe is vast, its secrets quiet and unending, offering a space for your thoughts to wander, to soften, to drift. Let's linger here a moment longer, floating in the quiet expanse where the missing matter hides. The cosmos is a tapestry of wonders, things that elude, things that defy, things that lull us into peace. The missing baryonic matter is one such wonder, a tale that doesn't need solving to soothe the mind. It's a reminder that the universe is infinite, its secrets gentle and vast, offering a canvas for your dreams. As you listen, let your thoughts float like particles in the cosmic web, carried by the soft rhythm of the heavens. The missing matter is out there, somewhere, a silent gift of mystery for your mind. And so, we leave this enigma behind, not answered, but cherished. The universe is full of stories like this, each one a thread in the great weave of the unknown. Let the missing baryonic matter guide you tonight, its hidden presence a gentle lullaby for your thoughts. As we drift toward the next mystery, carry this calm with you, letting the cosmos hold you softly in its embrace. The stars are waiting, their secrets whispering, and you're already slipping closer to sleep. Imagine yourself adrift in the vastness of the cosmos, floating through an endless sea of stars and galaxies, each one a glimmering beacon in the infinite night. The universe feels alive, its rhythm steady yet mysterious, pulling you gently toward the unknown. Tonight, we explore one of the strangest enigmas the cosmos holds: the dark flow. Picture thousands of galaxies stretching far, beyond our own, moving together in a silent stream, drawn toward an unseen point in the heavens. Something is pulling them, a force so vast it defies the universe's natural expansion. What could be guiding this cosmic current? Let's drift into this mystery, letting its quiet wonder wrap around us like a soft cosmic tide. The universe is always moving, expanding outward since the Big Bang 13.8 billion years ago, carrying galaxies farther apart in a slow, unexplained series. But in 2008, astronomers noticed something peculiar while studying clusters of galaxies far beyond our Milky Way. These clusters, each containing hundreds or thousands of galaxies, were not just drifting with the universe's expansion, they were moving together at speeds up to 2 million miles per hour toward a single point in the sky. This coordinated motion, stretching across billions of light years, was unlike anything expected. They called it the dark flow, a mysterious current pulling entire galaxies against the natural rhythm of the cosmos. This wasn't a small anomaly. The dark flow involves vast swaths of the universe, regions so distant they lie near the edge of what our telescopes can see. Imagine a river of galaxies flowing through the cosmic void, drawn by an invisible force we can't detect. The discovery came from analyzing the cosmic microwave background, the faint glow of the universe's birth, which carries subtle and soft imprints of how galaxies move. By studying how this light is shifted by the gravity of massive clusters, astronomers found that these galaxies were not just expanding outward, they were being tugged sideways toward a region in the constellations Centaurus and Hydra. The scale of this motion is staggering, involving structures so large they dwarf anything we've observed before. Astronomers were puzzled, their minds reaching for explanations in the quiet depths of the cosmos. One theory suggests the dark flow is caused by a massive structure beyond the observable universe, something so immense its gravity pulls galaxies across unimaginable distances. The observable universe is finite, limited by the distance light has traveled since the Big Bang. Beyond that horizon lies the unknown, a realm we can't see but might still influence us. Could a colossal cluster of galaxies, or even a denser region of matter from the universe's earliest moments, be lurking just out of sight, its gravitational pull creating this mysterious flow? The idea feels like a dream, a hidden giant shaping the cosmos from beyond our reach. Another possibility stretches even further into the unknown. What if the dark flow is evidence of another universe, part of a multiverse, where our cosmos is just one bubble among many? In this scenario, a neighboring universe could be exerting its gravity, tugging our galaxies toward it, like ships drawn to a distant shore. Imagine our universe brushing against another, their boundaries, close enough to influence each other, creating a current that ripples through the cosmos. This theory is speculative, a whisper of a reality we can't yet touch, but it captures the imagination. A universe not alone, but part of a greater tapestry, its edges pulling at ours in ways we can barely fathom. Not all explanations are so grand. Some scientists argue the dark flow might be an illusion, a misinterpretation of the data used to measure galaxy motions. The cosmic microwave background is complex, its signals faint and easily skewed by errors. Could the telescopes have been misled by noise or flaws in analysis? Yet follow-up studies in 2010 and 2013, using more precise data from the Planck satellite, confirmed the motion persists, challenging skeptics. The galaxies are moving, drawn by something real, something unseen. The dark flow remains a puzzle, its presence a quiet challenge to our understanding of the universe's structure. Imagine drifting with those galaxies, carried along by an invisible current, the stars around you shimmering faintly in the dark. Another theory suggests the dark flow could be the work of a cosmic string, a hypothetical defect in space-time left over from the universe's infancy. These strings, thinner than an atom but stretching across billions of light-years, could wield immense gravity, pulling galaxies like threads in a cosmic web. Detecting such strings is beyond our current technology, but their existence would rewrite our understanding of the cosmos, offering a glimpse of forces we can't yet see. The idea is tantalizing, a reminder that the universe is woven with secrets waiting to be unraveled. The dark flow's mystery deepens the further we explore it. Astronomers have aimed their most powerful telescopes at the region, where the galaxies seem to converge, searching for clues in radio waves, X-rays, and infrared light. They've found no massive structure, no obvious source of the gravitational pull. The observable universe offers no answers, leaving us to wonder what lies beyond the horizon. Could it be a relic of the Big Bang, a dense knot of matter from the universe's chaotic birth, or something stranger, like a tear in space-time itself, bending the paths of galaxies in ways we can't comprehend? The dark flow is a silent enigma, its pull a gentle reminder of the universe's hidden depths. Picture yourself lying beneath a sky filled with moving galaxies, their light a soft whisper of the cosmos's vastness. The dark flow is like a lullaby, its mystery gentle and endless, a reminder that not every question needs an answer to be beautiful. Maybe it's a giant beyond our sight, or a bridge to another universe. Whatever it is, it's a mystery that wraps around you, soft and weightless, inviting you to rest in its embrace. The universe is vast, its secrets quiet and unending, offering a space for your thoughts to wander, to soften, to drift. Let's linger here a moment longer, floating in the quiet current of the dark flow. The cosmos is a tapestry of wonders, things that move, things that defy, things that lull us into peace. The dark flow is one such wonder, a tale that doesn't need solving to soothe the mind. It's a reminder that the universe is infinite, its secrets gentle and vast, offering a canvas for your dreams. As you listen, let your thoughts float like galaxies in the cosmic stream, carried by the soft rhythm of the heavens. The dark flow is out there, pulling silently, a gift of mystery for your mind. And so, we leave this enigma behind, not answered, but cherished. The universe is full of stories like this, each one a thread in the great weave of the unknown. Let the dark flow guide you tonight, its silent pull a gentle lullaby for your thoughts. As we drift toward the next mystery, carry this calm with you, letting the cosmos hold you softly in its embrace. The stars are waiting, their secrets whispering, and you're already slipping closer to sleep. Imagine yourself drifting through the outer reaches of our solar system, far beyond the familiar planets, where the sun is just a faint spark in the endless night. The cosmos feels vast and quiet here, its mysteries whispering softly to your mind. Tonight, we explore one of the strangest enigmas in our cosmic neighborhood. The enigma of Planet 9. Picture a massive, unseen world lurking in the shadows of our solar system, its presence felt but never seen, tugging at distant objects with an invisible hand. What is this hidden planet, and why can't we find it? Let's float into this mystery, letting its quiet wonder wrap around us like a gentle cosmic breeze. Our solar system is a familiar place, with its 8 planets orbiting the Sun in orderly paths. Beyond Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt, a region of icy rocks and dwarf planets scattered across the fringes of our cosmic backyard. For years, astronomers thought they understood this distant realm, its objects moving in predictable orbits. But in 2016, astronomers Konstantin Batygin and Mike Brown noticed something peculiar. A handful of icy bodies in the Kuiper Belt were behaving strangely, their orbits clustering together in ways that defied chance. These objects, far from the Sun's grasp, were being pulled by something massive, something unseen, a hidden world they called Planet 9. This wasn't a small discovery. Planet 9, if it exists, is estimated to be up to 10 times the mass of Earth, a giant lurking in the dark, orbiting the Sun at a distance so great it takes 10,000 years to complete a single loop. Imagine a planet so far away that the Sun's light barely reaches it, its surface cloaked in eternal twilight. The evidence for its existence comes from the orbits of those Kuiper Belt objects, 6 of which share oddly aligned paths, as if guided by an invisible force. Their orbits are tilted and stretched, pointing toward a single region of the sky, suggesting a massive body is sculpting their paths with its gravity. This clustering is unlikely to be random, a cosmic coincidence too precise to ignore. Astronomers began to search for this elusive world, their telescopes scanning the outer solar system for a glimpse of something new. But Planet 9 remains hidden, its presence inferred only through its gravitational influence. Imagine drifting toward that distant region, where the stars are sharp and the Sun is a mere pinprick. Could Planet 9 be a gas giant, like Jupiter or Saturn, ejected to the solar system's edge billions of years ago? Such a planet could have formed closer to the Sun, only to be flung outward. In the chaotic early days of our cosmic neighborhood, its size and distance would make it faint, its surface reflecting little light, blending into the darkness of space. Another theory stretches into the realm of the extraordinary. What if Planet 9 isn't a planet at all, but a primordial black hole? A tiny dense remnant of the Big Bang, no larger than a grapefruit, but with the mass of 10 Earths. Such a black hole would be nearly invisible, its gravity bending light without emitting any of its own. It could explain the strange orbits in the Kuiper Belt, pulling objects with an unseen force. The idea is wild, a cosmic relic hiding in our own backyard, but detecting such a black hole would require catching subtle distortions in the light of distant stars, a challenge beyond our current telescopes. Astronomers have scoured the skies with instruments like the Subaru telescope in Hawaii and the Hubble Space Telescope, searching for a faint glint of Planet 9. They found nothing. No planet, no black hole, no definitive clue. The outer solar system is vast, its darkness deep, and even a massive world could hide in its shadows. Some suggest Planet 9 might be too faint, its surface covered in dark material that absorbs light rather than reflecting it. Others propose it could be a cluster of smaller objects, their combined gravity mimicking that of a single planet. Imagine a swarm of icy bodies drifting together in the dark, their collective pull shaping the orbits we see. The mystery deepens with every failed search. Could Planet 9 be on an orbit so elliptical that it's currently too far to detect? Lost in the vastness of space? Or perhaps it doesn't exist at all, and the strange orbits are caused by something else, a passing star long ago, or an undiscovered quirk in the Kuiper Belt's dynamics. But the clustering of those orbits is too precise, too consistent to dismiss easily. The evidence points to something out there, something massive, waiting to be found. The enigma of Planet 9 is a quiet challenge, a puzzle that invites us to wonder about the hidden corners of our own solar system. Imagine floating in that distant realm, where the sun is a faint memory and the stars burn coldly in the dark. The idea of Planet 9 feels like a dream, doesn't it? A hidden world, or perhaps a black hole, lurking just beyond our reach, shaping the cosmos in ways we can't see. Some theories suggest it could be a captured planet, stolen from another star billions of years ago, now bound to our sun in a distant orbit. Others wonder if it's a remnant of the solar system's formation, a piece of the puzzle we've overlooked. Each idea pulls us deeper into the mystery, like a gentle current carrying us toward the unknown. The search for Planet 9 continues, with new telescopes and surveys scanning the outer solar system. Projects like the Vera Rubin Observatory, set to begin operations soon, may finally spot this elusive world, or rule it out entirely. Until then, the enigma persists, a silent presence felt but unseen. Imagine the Kuiper Belt objects drifting in their strange orbits, whispering of a hidden force. The universe is full of such secrets, and Planet 9 is one of the closest, hiding in our own cosmic backyard. Its mystery as vast as the stars themselves. Picture yourself lying beneath a sky where an unseen planet waits, its presence a soft whisper in the darkness. The enigma of Planet 9 is like a lullaby, its mystery gentle and endless, a reminder that not every question needs an answer to be beautiful. Maybe it's a gas giant cloaked in shadow, or a black hole bending light in silence. Whatever it is, it's a mystery that wraps around you, soft and weightless, inviting you to rest in its embrace. The universe is vast, its secrets quiet and unending, offering a space for your thoughts to wander, to soften, to drift. Let's linger here a moment longer, floating in the quiet darkness where Planet 9 hides. The cosmos is a tapestry of wonders, things that elude, things that defy, things that lull us into peace. The enigma of Planet 9 is one such wonder, a tale that doesn't need solving to soothe the mind. It's a reminder that the universe is infinite, its secrets gentle and vast, offering a canvas for your dreams. As you listen, let your thoughts float like icy bodies in the Kuiper Belt, carried by the soft rhythm of the heavens. Planet 9 is out there, somewhere, a gift of mystery for your mind. And so, we leave this enigma behind, not answered, but cherished. The universe is full of stories like this, each one a thread in the great weave of the unknown. Let the enigma of Planet 9 guide you tonight, its hidden presence a gentle lullaby for your thoughts. As we drift toward the next mystery, carry this calm with you, letting the cosmos hold you softly in its embrace. The stars are waiting, their secrets whispering, and you're already slipping closer to sleep. Imagine yourself floating in the boundless expanse of the cosmos, surrounded by a sea of stars, each one a potential home for worlds unseen. The universe stretches out before you, vast and quiet, its mysteries whispering softly to your mind. Tonight, we explore one of the strangest enigmas the cosmos holds, the Fermi paradox. Picture a universe teeming with billions of stars and planets where life should be common, yet we hear nothing, see no one. If intelligent life is out there, why is the cosmos so silent? Let's drift into this mystery, letting its quiet wonder wrap around us like a gentle cosmic breeze. The universe is vast, with over 2 trillion galaxies, each containing billions of stars and countless planets. Many of these worlds orbit inhabitable zones, regions where liquid water could exist, nurturing the seeds of life. Given the sheer number of possibilities, intelligent civilizations should 8 billion years since the Big Bang. In 1950, physicist Enrico Fermi sat with colleagues at a lunch table and asked a simple question: where is everybody? His question gave birth to the Fermi paradox, the puzzling contradiction between the high probability of alien life and the complete lack of evidence for it. The cosmos should be alive with signals, ships, or signs of advanced civilizations, yet we find only silence. This silence is profound. Imagine gazing at a sky filled with stars, each one a potential beacon of life, yet hearing nothing but the quiet hum of the universe. Our telescopes scan the heavens, our radio dishes listen for signals, and our probes explore distant worlds. But we found no confirmed signs of intelligent life. No messages, no structures, no traces of technology. The Fermi paradox asks why, in a universe so vast and old, we seem to be alone. The question lingers like a dream, inviting us to wonder about our place in the cosmos, about what might be hiding in the vastness of space. Astronomers and scientists have proposed many explanations, each one a thread in the tapestry of this mystery. One idea is that life is rare, far rarer than we imagine. Perhaps the conditions for life, complex chemistry, stable climates, the right star, are so precise that Earth is a cosmic fluke, a singular oasis in an otherwise barren universe. Imagine Earth as a lone garden, its life a fragile miracle, with no other worlds to echo its story. But the numbers suggest otherwise. With billions of Earth-like planets in our galaxy alone, the odds favor life arising elsewhere, even if only in simple forms. Another possibility is that intelligent life is common, but civilizations don't last. Imagine a galaxy filled with societies that rise and fall, their lifespans too short to overlap with ours. They might destroy themselves through war, exhaust their resources, or succumb to cosmic disasters like supernovae or asteroid impacts. The universe could be a graveyard of lost civilizations, their signals faded, long before we began listening. This idea feels heavy, doesn't it? A cosmos where intelligence blooms briefly, only to wither in the vastness of time, leaving us to search an empty sky. What if advanced civilizations are out there, but they're hiding? The zoo hypothesis suggests aliens might be watching us, deliberately staying silent to avoid interfering with our development, like scientists observing animals in a preserve. Imagine a galactic community, their ships cloaked, their signals encrypted, observing Earth from the shadows. Or perhaps they communicate in ways we can't detect, using technologies beyond radio waves, lasers, neutrinos, or even quantum signals that our instruments can't yet perceive. The universe might be buzzing with activity, a cosmic conversation we're deaf to, its voices whispering just beyond our reach. Another theory ventures into the realm of the fantastic. What if intelligent life transcends the physical, moving beyond planets and machines, to exist in forms we can't comprehend. Civilizations might upload their minds to vast digital realms, living inside stars or black holes, their presence invisible to our telescopes. Imagine a universe where life has evolved into energy, consciousness woven into the fabric of space-time itself, leaving no trace for us to find. This idea stretches the mind, like a dream of a cosmos alive with beings we'll never see, their existence a quiet mystery in the dark. The Fermi paradox also raises the possibility that we're looking in the wrong places or times. Our search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, has scanned only a tiny fraction of the sky, listening for signals at specific frequencies. Imagine searching for a single whisper in a cosmic ocean with billions of stars to explore. Perhaps we've missed the signals, or they passed us by millions of years ago, fading before humanity even emerged. Or maybe advanced civilizations avoid broadcasting, fearing detection by hostile cosmic forces, choosing silence as a shield. The universe could be full of life, but cautious, hidden, waiting for us to find the right way to listen. Some suggest the paradox isn't a paradox at all, but a reflection of our own limitations. Our understanding of life is based on Earth, on carbon and water, but alien life might be utterly different, thriving in environments we can't imagine, on planets with methane, seas, or inside gas giants. Their signals might be unrecognizable, their technology alien to our senses. Imagine a cosmos where life exists in forms we can't fathom, its presence woven into the stars, yet invisible to our eyes. The Fermi paradox challenges us to expand our imagination, to consider a universe far stranger than we know. Picture yourself lying beneath a sky filled with silent stars, their light a soft reminder of the cosmos's vastness. The Fermi paradox is like a lullaby, its mystery gentle and endless, a reminder that not every question needs an answer to be beautiful. Maybe we're alone, or maybe the universe is alive with voices we can't hear. Whatever the truth, it's a mystery that wraps around you, soft and weightless, inviting you to rest in its embrace. The cosmos is vast, its secrets quiet and unending, offering a space for your thoughts to wander, to soften, to drift. Let's linger here a moment longer, floating in the quiet silence of the stars. The universe is a tapestry of wonders, things that elude, things that hide, things that lull us into peace. The Fermi paradox is one such wonder, a tale that doesn't need solving to soothe the mind. It's a reminder that the cosmos is infinite, its secrets gentle and vast, offering a canvas for your dreams. As you listen, let your thoughts float like signals in the cosmic void, carried by the soft rhythm of the heavens. The silence is out there, a gift of mystery for your mind. And so, we leave this enigma behind, not answered, but cherished. The universe is full of stories like this, each one a thread in the great weave of the unknown. Let the Fermi paradox guide you tonight. Its silent question, a gentle lullaby for your thoughts. As we drift toward the next mystery, carry this calm with you, letting the cosmos hold you softly in its embrace. The stars are waiting, their secrets whispering, and you're already slipping closer to sleep. Imagine yourself drifting through the vastness of the cosmos, surrounded by an endless sea of stars, their light shimmering softly in the infinite night. The universe feels alive, whispering secrets through the darkness, its mysteries calling gently to your mind. Tonight, we explore one of the strangest enigmas the cosmos holds, fast radio bursts. Picture a sudden flash of radio waves blazing across, billions of light years, lasting only a millisecond before fading into silence. These fleeting signals, bursting from the depths of space, carry no explanation, only questions. What sends these cosmic whispers across the universe? Let's float into this mystery, letting its quiet wonder wrap around us like a gentle cosmic breeze. In 2007, astronomers studying data from the Parkes Observatory in Australia stumbled upon something extraordinary. Buried in the radio telescope's recordings was a brief, intense burst of radio waves, lasting less than a millisecond but shining with the energy of 1,000,000 suns. It came from a distant corner of the sky, billions of light years away, and then it was gone, never repeating. They called it a fast radio burst, or FRB, a fleeting signal that defied everything we knew about the cosmos. Since that discovery, hundreds of these bursts have been detected, some repeating in curious patterns, others flashing once and vanishing. Each one is a puzzle, a cosmic spark that lights up the sky for an instant before returning to silence. These bursts are unlike anything else in the universe. Imagine a signal so powerful it outshines entire galaxies, yet so brief it's gone. Fast radio bursts are detected in radio waves, a part of the spectrum we use to listen for cosmic phenomena. But their intensity and brevity set them apart. They're not like the steady pulses of pulsars, the rhythmic beacons of spinning neutron stars, nor the slow glow of supernovae. FRBs arrive from random directions, some from galaxies far beyond our own, carrying energy that could only come from cataclysmic events or something stranger. The universe seems to be shouting, but we don't know why or who is speaking. Astronomers have been captivated by these signals, their minds reaching for answers in the quiet depths of the cosmos. One theory suggests FRBs are born from violent cosmic events, like the collision of neutron stars, the densest objects in the universe. When these stars smash together, they release a burst of energy that could ripple across space as radio waves. In 2017, astronomers traced one FRB to a dwarf galaxy 3 billion light-years away, hinting at such an origin. But not all bursts fit this model. Some repeat, flashing again and again from the same spot, ruling out one-time events like collisions. The mystery deepens, like a whisper that keeps returning, refusing to explain itself. Imagine drifting toward one of these bursts, a fleeting spark lighting up the cosmic dark. Another theory proposes that FRBs come from magnetars, neutron stars with magnetic fields so powerful they could tear apart worlds. These cosmic magnets can flare up, releasing bursts of energy in an instant. In 2020, astronomers detected an FRB from a magnetar in our own Milky Way, lending weight to this idea. But magnetars are rare, and many FRBs come from far beyond our galaxy, their sources too distant to confirm. Could every burst be a magnetar's cry, or are some caused by something else entirely? The universe offers no clear answers, only more questions. What if the explanation lies beyond nature? The idea feels like a dream, but some scientists have wondered if FRBs could be signals from advanced alien civilizations. Imagine a distant species, their technology so advanced they beam radio waves across the cosmos, perhaps as beacons, messages, or even the exhaust of interstellar engines. The repeating bursts, like FRB 121102, which flashes irregularly from a distant galaxy, fuel this speculation. Could they be deliberate? A cosmic lighthouse calling out to the stars? Yet, no pattern in these signals suggests intelligence. and their immense energy would require technology far beyond our own. The thought lingers, a vision of a universe alive with voices we can't yet understand. Another possibility stretches into the realm of the unknown. What if FRBs are caused by cosmic strings, theoretical cracks in space-time left over from the universe's birth? These strings, thinner than an atom but stretching across billions of light-years, could vibrate, sending ripples of energy as radio waves. Or perhaps they're the echoes of white holes, hypothetical opposites of black, holes that spew out matter and light. These ideas were speculative, threads of imagination woven into the cosmic. Imagine floating through the darkness, a burst of radio waves flashing past you, gone before you can grasp it. Astronomers have built new telescopes, like the Canadian Hydrogen Intensity Mapping Experiment, to catch more FRBs, hoping to pinpoint their origins. Some bursts repeat, allowing scientists to trace them to specific galaxies, but others flash once and vanish, leaving no trail. The diversity of these signals, some nearby, some impossibly far, suggests multiple causes, a chorus of cosmic events we're only beginning to hear. Each burst is a clue, but the puzzle remains unsolved, a quiet enigma that invites us to wonder without demanding answers. The mystery of fast radio bursts is more than a scientific challenge. It's a reminder of the universe's vastness. Since their discovery, hundreds of bursts have been recorded, each one a fleeting whisper from the cosmos. Telescopes around the world, from Australia to China, listen day and night, catching these signals in their brief brilliance. Yet, we're no closer to a full explanation. Are they the cries of dying stars, the hum of cosmic strings, or the work of beings we can't imagine? The universe keeps its secrets, offering only flashes of light to guide our dreams. Picture yourself lying beneath a sky where these bursts flicker, their brief glow a soft reminder of the cosmos's mysteries. Fast radio. Bursts are like a lullaby, their fleeting nature gentle and endless, a reminder that not every question needs an answer to be beautiful. Maybe they're the echoes of distant cataclysms or messages from stars we'll never see. Whatever they are, they wrap around you, sad and weightless, inviting you to rest in their embrace. The universe is vast, its secrets quiet and unending, offering a space for your thoughts to wander, to soften, to drift. Let's linger here a moment longer, floating in the quiet darkness where these bursts flash and fade. The cosmos is a tapestry of wonders, things that spark, things that elude, things that lull us into peace. Fast radio bursts are one such wonder, a tale that doesn't need solving to soothe the mind. They're a reminder that the universe is infinite, its secrets gentle and vast, offering a canvas for your dreams. As you listen, let your thoughts float like radio waves in the cosmic void, carried by the soft rhythm of the heavens. The bursts are out there, flashing silently, a gift of mystery for your mind. And so, we leave this enigma behind, not answered, but cherished. The universe is full of stories like this, each one a thread in the great weave of the unknown. Let fast radio bursts guide you tonight, their fleeting light a gentle lullaby for your thoughts. As we drift toward the next mystery, carry this calm with you, letting the cosmos hold you softly in its embrace. The stars are waiting, their secrets whispering, and you're already slipping closer to sleep. Imagine yourself floating in the vast emptiness of the cosmos, far beyond the planets, where the stars shimmer softly in the infinite night. The universe feels boundless, its quiet rhythms carrying you gently through the dark. Tonight, we explore one of the strangest enigmas the cosmos has revealed: the Pioneer anomaly. Picture two spacecraft, Pioneer 10 and 11, launched to explore the outer reaches of our solar system, drifting through the void only to behave in ways that defy our understanding of physics. Something unseen seems to tug them back, slowing their journey. What could be altering their path? Let's drift into this mystery, letting its quiet wonder wrap around us like a gentle cosmic breeze. In the early 1970s, NASA launched the Pioneer 10 and 11 spacecraft, twin explorers designed to venture beyond the known planets and study the outer solar system. These small probes, equipped with golden plaques bearing messages for any intelligent life they might encounter, were humanity's first ambassadors to the stars. Pioneer 10 flew past Jupiter in 1973, sending back stunning images, while Pioneer 11 explored Saturn's rings before heading into the deep cosmos. Their missions were a triumph, but as they drifted farther from the Sun, something unexpected happened. The spacecraft weren't moving as they should. They were slowing down ever so slightly, as if an invisible hand was pulling them back toward the Sun. This wasn't a dramatic shift. The anomaly was tiny, a deviation of just a few hundred thousandths of a meter per second squared. But it was enough to puzzle scientists. Imagine a spacecraft sailing through the void, its path calculated with precision, only to drift off course by a whisper. The laws of physics, as we know them, couldn't explain it. Gravity from the Sun and planets was too weak at such distances to cause this effect. The probes were far beyond the Kuiper Belt, in the empty reaches of interstellar space, where no known force should have slowed them. Yet the data was clear. Both Pioneer 10 and 11 were decelerating, their signals arriving at Earth slightly later than expected. Astronomers and physicists dubbed this mystery the Pioneer anomaly, a quiet challenge to our understanding of the cosmos. Imagine tracking a spacecraft billions of miles away, its radio signals crossing the void to whisper of something unexpected. Scientists first checked for obvious explanations. Could the probe's thrusters be leaking gas, pushing them backward? The Pioneer's systems were meticulously designed, and no such leaks were found. Perhaps solar radiation or cosmic dust was slowing them down. But the effect was too consistent, too precise, to be caused by random particles or light pressure. The anomaly persisted, a subtle deviation that hinted at something deeper, something unknown. One theory suggested the anomaly might reveal a flaw in our understanding of gravity. Imagine gravity behaving differently in the outer reaches of the solar system, its pull stronger or stranger than Newton or Einstein predicted. Some scientists proposed modifying our theories of gravity, suggesting that at vast distances the force might not weaken as expected. This idea, known as modified Newtonian dynamics, or MUND, could explain the Pioneer's slowdown, but it would require rewriting the laws that govern the cosmos. Such change would ripple through our understanding of galaxies, black holes, and the universe's expansion, making the anomaly a potential key to a new physics. Another possibility ventured into the realm of the unknown. What if dark matter, the invisible substance thought to make up a quarter of the universe's mass, was responsible? Imagine a halo of dark matter surrounding our solar system, its gravity subtly tugging at the Pioneers as they pass through. Dark matter doesn't emit or reflect light, making it invisible to our telescopes, but its gravity could affect spacecraft. Yet calculations showed the effect of dark matter would be too weak, too diffuse, to account for the anomaly. The idea lingered, a dreamlike vision of an unseen force shaping the paths of our probes. Could the anomaly be caused by something more exotic? Some scientists wondered if the pioneers were encountering a cosmic phenomenon we don't yet understand, like a subtle distortion in space-time itself. Imagine a ripple in the fabric of the universe, left over from the Big Bang, gently nudging the spacecraft off course. Or perhaps the probes were brushing against a boundary, a place where the laws of physics shift in ways we can't predict. These ideas stretch the imagination like a whisper from the cosmos, hinting at forces and realms beyond our grasp. In 2012, after decades of study, a team of scientists offered a simpler explanation. They suggested the anomaly was caused by heat from the Pioneer's radioactive power sources, which emitted energy unevenly, creating a tiny push that slowed the probes. This heat, they argued, was enough to account for the observed deceleration. The explanation was elegant, fitting the data without requiring new physics. But not everyone was convinced. The effect was so consistent across both spacecraft over decades that some wondered if heat alone could explain it. Could there be something more? A hidden force the heat masked? The debate continues, a quiet puzzle that invites us to wonder about the cosmos. Imagine drifting alongside the Pioneer probes, their golden plaques glinting faintly in the starlight, carried by an unseen current. The Pioneer anomaly is more than a technical glitch. It's a reminder of how much the universe still hides. Since the 2012 study, scientists have revisited the data, using modern computers to analyze the probe's trajectories. Some argue the heat explanation holds, while others search for hints of something deeper, a clue to new physics, or a sign of cosmic forces we can't yet measure. The Pioneers, now silent, their signals lost as they drift into interstellar space, continue to whisper their mystery to us. Picture yourself lying beneath a sky where these spacecraft travel, their paths a soft reminder of the cosmos's secrets. The Pioneer anomaly is like a lullaby, its mystery gentle and endless, a reminder that not every question needs an answer to be beautiful. Maybe it's a flaw in our physics, or a whisper of dark matter, or something stranger still. Whatever it is, it wraps around you, soft and weightless, inviting you to rest in its embrace. The universe is vast, its secrets quiet and unending, offering a space for your thoughts to wander, to soften, to drift. Let's linger here a moment longer, floating in the quiet void where the Pioneers drift. The cosmos is a tapestry of wonders, things that defy, things that elude, things that lull us into peace. The Pioneer anomaly is one such wonder, a tale that doesn't need solving to soothe the mind. It's a reminder that the universe is infinite, its secrets gentle and vast, offering a canvas for your dreams. As you listen, let your thoughts float like spacecraft in the cosmic dark, carried by the soft rhythm of the heavens. The anomaly is out there, a silent gift of mystery for your mind. And so, we leave this enigma behind, not answered, but cherished. The universe is full of stories like this, each one a thread in the great weave of the unknown. Let the Pioneer anomaly guide you tonight, its subtle pull a gentle lullaby for your thoughts. As we drift toward the next mystery, carry this calm with you, letting the cosmos hold you softly in its embrace. The stars are waiting, their secrets whispering, and you're already slipping closer to sleep. Imagine yourself floating high above Earth, the blue planet glowing softly below, surrounded by the endless darkness of space. The stars shimmer in the distance, their light a quiet whisper in the cosmic night. Tonight, we explore one of the strangest enigmas the cosmos holds, the Black Knight satellite. Picture a dark, irregular object orbiting our world, its origins unknown, its purpose unclear. Some say it's been circling Earth for thousands of years, a silent sentinel watching from above. Is it a relic of human technology, or something far older, far stranger? Let's drift into this mystery, letting its quiet wonder wrap around us like a gentle cosmic breeze. In 1998, astronauts aboard the Space Shuttle Endeavour were conducting a mission to deploy satellites when they photographed something peculiar in Earth's orbit. It was a dark, oddly shaped object, unlike any known spacecraft or debris. The images showed a structure that seemed out of place, its form irregular, almost alien, floating silently against the backdrop of space. NASA catalogued it as possible space debris, but the object sparked curiosity, reviving stories of a mysterious satellite known as the Black Knight. For decades, rumors had circulated about an unidentified object in Earth's orbit, detected by radio signals and sightings long before humanity launched its first satellites. Could this be the same enigmatic presence watching us from the shadows? The legend of the Black Knight began long before the 1998 photographs. In the 1950s, before Sputnik marked the dawn of the space age, astronomers and radio operators reported strange signals coming from Earth's orbit. In 1954, a retired naval officer claimed to have detected an object in a polar orbit, a trajectory no country could achieve at the time. Newspapers speculated about a mysterious satellite, dubbing it the Black Knight, a name that evoked its dark, elusive nature. In 1960, the U.S. Navy's tracking stations detected an unidentified object orbiting Earth, weighing far more than any satellite of the era. These early sightings fueled whispers of something extraordinary, a satellite that predated human spaceflight, circling our world in silence. Imagine gazing up at the night sky, knowing an unseen object orbits above, its origins lost in time. The Black Knight story grew with each new report. In the 1970s, amateur astronomers claimed to spot a strange object through their telescopes, its orbit unusual, its appearance unlike any known satellite. The 1998 Space Shuttle images reignited the mystery, as the object's irregular shape didn't match typical debris like rocket fragments or defunct satellites. Some speculated it could be a piece of insulation or a lost tool from a space mission, but its size and structure suggested something more complex, something that didn't belong. The universe seemed to be hiding a secret right above our heads. Skeptics argue the Black Knight is nothing more than space junk, a remnant of humanity's early ventures into orbit. Imagine a discarded rocket stage, or a piece of thermal blanket tumbling through space, catching the light in ways that seem mysterious. NASA and other space agencies maintain that all objects in orbit are catalogued, with most unidentified sightings explained as debris, from the thousands of launches since the 1950s. The 1998 object, they say, was likely a piece of insulation from a previous mission. Its odd shape, a trick of perspective. The signals from the 1950s could have been natural radio emissions like those from pulsars, mistaken for artificial broadcasts. Yet the consistency of the Black Knight stories, spanning decades, keeps the mystery alive, a quiet puzzle that refuses to fade. What if the Black Knight is something more? Some theorists propose it's an alien probe, sent by a distant civilization to observe Earth. Imagine a spacecraft, ancient and advanced, orbiting our planet for millennia. Its technology so alien it blends into the background of our skies. The idea feels like a dream, doesn't it? A silent watcher recording our history from above. Its purpose? Unknown. The object's alleged polar orbit, rare for early human satellites, adds to the intrigue, as does its reported weight, far heavier than anything launched in the 1950s. Could it be a relic from a civilization that visited Earth long ago, left behind to monitor our world? The thought lingers, a whisper of possibility in the cosmic dark. Another theory stretches even further into the unknown. What if the Black Knight is a remnant of a lost human civilization? One that reached space thousands of years ago, only to vanish without a trace? Imagine an ancient culture, their technology forgotten, leaving a single satellite to orbit as a silent testament to their existence. This idea challenges history as we know it, but myths and legends speak of advanced societies lost to time. Or perhaps the Black Knight is a fragment of something cosmic, a piece of a meteor or an object from beyond our solar system caught in Earth gravity. Each theory weaves a new thread into the mystery, inviting us to wonder what orbits above us. The Black Knight's enigma persists, despite efforts to explain it. Astronomers continue to track objects in Earth's orbit, cataloging thousands of satellites and debris, yet none fully match the descriptions of the Black Knight. The 1998 photographs remain a focal point, their grainy images sparking debate among enthusiasts and scientists alike. No definitive evidence confirms the object as alien or ancient, but no explanation fully dispels the mystery either. The signals from the 1950s, the sightings in the 1970s, the shuttle images, all form a tapestry of questions, each thread pulling us deeper into the unknown. Imagine drifting alongside this mysterious object, its dark form silhouetted against the stars, orbiting silently above Earth. The Black Knight is more than a space anomaly. It's a reminder of how much the cosmos hides, even in our own backyard. Modern telescopes and radar systems scan the skies, tracking every object in orbit. Yet the Black Knight's story endures, a quiet enigma that invites us to dream. Is it debris, a relic of human exploration, or something far older, watching us from above? The universe offers no answers, only the gentle pull of curiosity, lulling us into wonder. Picture yourself lying beneath a sky where the Black Knight orbits, its presence a soft whisper in the darkness. The mystery is like a lullaby, its enigma gentle and endless, a reminder that not every question needs an answer to be beautiful. Maybe it's a forgotten piece of our own technology or a sentinel from a distant star. Whatever it is, it wraps around you, soft and weightless, inviting you to rest in its embrace. The universe is vast, its secrets quiet and unending, offering a space for your thoughts to wander, to soften, to drift. Let's linger here a moment longer, floating in the quiet orbit of the Black Knight. The cosmos is a tapestry of wonders, things that watch, things that elude, things that lull us into peace. The Black Knight satellite is one such wonder, a tale that doesn't need solving to soothe the mind. It's a reminder that the universe is infinite, its secrets gentle and vast, offering a canvas for your dreams. As you listen, let your thoughts float like an object in orbit, carried by the soft rhythm of the heavens. The Black Knight is up there, somewhere, a gift of mystery for your mind. And so, we leave this enigma behind, not answered, but cherished. The universe is full of stories like this, each one a thread in the great weave of the unknown. Let the Black Knight satellite guide you tonight. Its silent orbit, a gentle lullaby for your thoughts. As we drift toward the next mystery, carry this calm with you, letting the cosmos hold you softly in its embrace. The stars are waiting, their secrets whispering, and you're already slipping closer to sleep. Imagine yourself floating in the vastness of the cosmos, far beyond the planets, where the stars glimmer softly in the endless night. The universe stretches out around you, quiet and boundless, its mysteries whispering gently to your mind. Tonight, we explore one of the strangest enigmas the cosmos has revealed. The Oumuamua Enigma. Picture a cigar-shaped object, long and dark, speeding through our solar system. The first visitor from another star, moving in ways that defy explanation. What is this interstellar wanderer, and why does it behave so strangely? Let's drift into this mystery, letting its quiet wonder wrap around us like a gentle cosmic breeze. In October 2017, astronomers at the Pan-STARRS telescope in Hawaii detected something extraordinary. An object was moving through our solar system at an astonishing speed, its path unlike anything we'd seen before. It wasn't orbiting the sun like a comet or asteroid. It was passing through, following a hyperbolic trajectory that meant it came from beyond our solar system and would soon leave again. They named it Oumuamua, a Hawaiian word meaning scout or messenger from afar arriving first. It was the first confirmed interstellar object ever observed, a traveler from another star, carrying secrets from the depths of the cosmos. Oumuamua was unlike anything in our solar system. Imagine a dark, elongated shape, roughly 400 meters long and 10 times as long as it was wide, tumbling end over end as it sped through space. Its reddish hue suggested a surface hardened by cosmic rays, perhaps billions of years old. It moved at 196,000 miles per hour, too fast to be captured by the sun's gravity, destined to exit our solar system as quickly as it arrived. Astronomers were thrilled, scrambling to study this fleeting visitor before it vanished into the interstellar void. But the more they observed, the stranger Oumuamua became, its behavior challenging our understanding of its cosmic objects. Most interstellar visitors, like comets, release gas and dust as they approach a star, forming a bright tail. Imagine a comet's icy surface vaporizing under the sun's heat, leaving a glowing trail. But Oumuamua showed no such tail, no signs of gas or dust, despite passing close to the sun. This suggested it wasn't a typical comet, but something denser, perhaps a rocky asteroid. Yet its shape was bizarre. Nothing in our solar system is so elongated, like a cosmic cigar or flattened pancake. Its tumbling motion added to the puzzle, hinting at a violent past, perhaps a collision that sent it spinning across the stars. The real mystery emerged when astronomers tracked Oumuamua's path. As it moved away from the sun, it accelerated slightly, deviating from the trajectory expected from gravity alone. Imagine an object speeding up without any visible cause, as if propelled by an unseen force. Comets can accelerate when their ices vaporize, pushing them like tiny rockets, but Oumuamua showed no such outgassing. This non-gravitational acceleration baffled scientists, suggesting something unusual was at play. Was it a natural object, behaving in ways we don't understand, or something stranger, something deliberate? One theory proposed Oumuamua was a hydrogen iceberg, a chunk of frozen hydrogen from a distant star-forming region. Imagine a block of solid hydrogen, invisible to our telescopes because it vaporizes cleanly, leaving no dust or tail. This could explain the acceleration as the hydrogen sublimated in the sun's heat, giving Oumuamua a gentle push. But hydrogen ice is fragile, unlikely to survive a journey across interstellar space, battered by cosmic rays for millions of years. The idea, while intriguing, didn't fully fit the observations, leaving the mystery unresolved, a whisper of possibility in the cosmic dark. Another theory ventured into the realm of the extraordinary. What if Oumuamua was an alien artifact, a probe or derelict spacecraft sent by a distant civilization? Imagine a solar sail, a thin reflective structure designed to catch starlight for propulsion, explaining the acceleration without visible gas. Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb suggested Oumuamua's shape and behavior resembled such a sail, its odd trajectory a sign of artificial design. The idea sparked debate, as no radio signals or technological signatures were detected, despite intense scans by SETI telescopes. Yet the thought lingers, doesn't it? A messenger from another star, passing silently through our solar system, its purpose unknown. Could Oumuamua be something else entirely? Some scientists propose it's a fragment of a shattered planet, torn apart by a dying star and flung into interstellar space. Imagine a rocky shard, its surface scorched and stretched, tumbling through the void for eons. Its shape and acceleration might result from unique mineral compositions or internal stresses, though we lack the data to confirm this. Another idea suggests it's a dust bunny, a loose aggregate of particles held together by weak forces, behaving oddly under the sun's influence. Each theory weaves a new thread into the mystery, inviting us to wonder what this traveler truly is. Astronomers raced to study Oumuamua before it faded from view, its distance growing with every passing day. By 2018, it was too faint for even the Hubble Space Telescope to track, slipping back into the interstellar void. Imagine watching a cosmic visitor vanish, leaving only questions behind. Telescopes scanned for radio signals, infrared heat, or any sign of artificial origin, but found nothing. Oumuamua's brief visit offered a glimpse of the universe beyond our solar system, but its secrets remained locked away, a puzzle that continues to captivate and elude us. The Oumuamua enigma is more than a scientific curiosity. It's a reminder of how vast and mysterious the cosmos remains. Since its discovery, astronomers have searched for other interstellar objects, hoping to compare them to Oumuamua. In 2019, a second visitor, Comet Borisov, was found, but it behaved like a typical comet, with a bright tail, unlike Oumuamua's silent passage. The contrast only deepened the mystery, suggesting Oumuamua is unique, a singular traveler with no clear counterpart. Future telescopes, like the Vera Rubin Observatory, may spot more interstellar objects, but Oumuamua's fleeting visit may never be fully explained. Picture yourself lying beneath a sky where Oumuamua once passed, its dark form a soft whisper in the starlight. The enigma is like a lullaby, its mystery gentle and endless, a reminder that not every question needs an answer to be beautiful. Maybe it's a rocky fragment, a hydrogen iceberg, or a silent probe from a distant star. Whatever it is, it wraps around you, soft and weightless, inviting you to rest in its embrace. The universe is vast, its secrets quiet and unending, offering a space for your thoughts to wander, to soften, to drift. Let's linger here a moment longer, floating in the quiet path where Oumuamua traveled, The cosmos is a tapestry of wonders, things that pass, things that elude, things that lull us into peace. The Oumuamua Enigma is one such wonder, a tale that doesn't need solving to soothe the mind. It's a reminder that the universe is infinite, its secrets gentle and vast, offering a canvas for your dreams. As you listen, let your thoughts float like an interstellar object, carried by the soft rhythm of the heavens. Oumuamua is out. There, somewhere, a gift of mystery for your mind. And so, we leave this enigma behind, not answered, but cherished. The universe is full of stories like this, each one a thread in the great weave of the unknown. Let the Oumuamua Enigma guide you tonight, its silent journey a gentle lullaby for your thoughts. As we drift toward the next mystery, carry this calm with you, letting the cosmos hold you softly in its embrace. The stars are waiting, their secrets whispering, and you're already slipping closer to sleep. Imagine yourself floating in the boundless expanse of the cosmos, surrounded by a tapestry of stars and the soft glow of ancient light. The universe stretches out around you, vast and serene, its mysteries whispering gently to your mind. Tonight, we explore one of the strangest enigmas the cosmos holds, the axis of evil. Picture the oldest light in the universe, the faint echo of the Big Bang, arranged in a pattern that seems to align with our own solar system. This shouldn't happen in a random, uniform cosmos. Why does the universe appear to know where we are? Let's drift into this mystery, letting its quiet wonder wrap around us like a gentle cosmic breeze. When astronomers peer into the universe, they don't just see stars and galaxies. They see the cosmic microwave background, a snapshot of the Big Bang's afterglow, the light that has traveled 13.8 billion years to reach us. This light is nearly uniform, a faint hum of radiation that blankets the sky, speckled with tiny variations that seeded the galaxies we know today. It's supposed to be random, a chaotic relic of the universe's fiery birth. But in 2005, astronomers studying data from NASA's Wilkinson Microwave Anisotropy probe noticed something peculiar. The cosmic microwave background wasn't as random as expected. Instead, it showed a strange pattern, a series of hot and cold spots aligned in a way that seemed to connect to our solar system. They called it the axis of evil, a haunting name for a cosmic anomaly that defies our understanding. This pattern isn't subtle. Imagine gazing at the universe's first light, stretched across the sky, and finding a line of temperature, variations that points in a specific direction. The axis of evil consists of large-scale features in the cosmic microwave background regions, slightly warmer or cooler than their surroundings, that align along a single axis. Astonishingly, this axis appears to correspond with the ecliptic plane, the path our planets follow around the Sun, and even the equinoxes, the points where Earth's orbit marks the seasons. In a universe that should be isotropic, the same in all directions, this alignment feels like a cosmic coincidence too precise to ignore. The discovery sent ripples through the scientific community. Imagine a universe that seems to have a preferred direction, as if it's aware of our tiny corner of space. The cosmic microwave background is our best map of the early universe, and it's supposed to reflect a random, uniform cosmos. The axis of evil challenges this idea, suggesting the universe might have a structure or orientation we don't understand. Could it be a statistical fluke, a chance alignment that only appears significant? Some scientists argue this, noting that in a vast dataset, patterns can emerge by accident. But the alignment is strikingly precise, with odds of occurring randomly estimated at less than 1 in 100, making it a puzzle that demands exploration. Astronomers turned to new data, hoping to unravel the mystery. The Planck satellite, launched in 2009, provided a more detailed map of the cosmic microwave background, confirming the axis of evil's presence. Imagine scientists poring over this map, tracing the hot and cold spots that form this eerie alignment. One theory suggests the anomaly is caused by local effects, like dust or radiation from our galaxy, skewing the data. But careful analysis ruled out most of these contaminants, as the signal persisted even after cleaning the data. The universe, it seems, is hiding something in the pattern of its oldest light, a secret etched in the sky. Toyant, another explanation ventures into the realm of the fantastic. What if the axis of evil is evidence of a multiverse, where our universe is one of many, each with its own laws? Imagine our cosmos as a bubble, floating among others, its edges shaped by collisions or interactions with neighboring universes. Such an event could leave a mark on the cosmic microwave background, a pattern like the axis of evil, aligning the universe's light in unexpected ways. This idea feels like a dream, a vision of realities beyond our own, their influence whispering through the ancient light we see. Yet testing the multiverse is beyond our current science, leaving the theory as a tantalizing possibility, a thread in the cosmic tapestry. Could the axis of evil point to a deeper structure in the universe? Some scientists propose it's a sign of cosmic topology, the idea that the universe has a shape or folds in ways we don't perceive. Imagine a cosmos that loops back on itself, like a donut, its geometry creating patterns in the cosmic microwave background. Such a structure could align the light in ways that appear tied to our solar system, a cosmic illusion of connection. Or perhaps the universe rotates faintly, a subtle spin that imprints an axis on its light. These ideas stretch the imagination, inviting us to wonder about the hidden architecture of the cosmos. Another possibility is that the axis of evil is a relic of the universe's infancy, a scar from processes we don't yet understand. Imagine the Big Bang not as a simple explosion, but a complex event, with quantum fluctuations or exotic particles leaving imprints on the cosmic light. These could manifest as aligned patterns, tying the universe's earliest moments to our solar system by chance. The connection to the ecliptic and equinoxes remains puzzling, as our solar system is a tiny recent speck in the cosmic timeline. Why would the universe's oldest light seem to acknowledge our place? The question lingers, a quiet riddle that pulls us deeper into the unknown. The axis of evil remains a mystery, despite years of study. Astronomers continue to analyze the cosmic microwave background using ever more precise instruments to probe its patterns. Future missions, like the Simons Observatory, may shed light on the anomaly, confirming or debunking its significance. For now, it stands as a cosmic curiosity, a pattern that shouldn't exist yet does, challenging our assumptions about the universe. Imagine the ancient light surrounding you, its faint glow carrying secrets from the dawn of time, arranged in a way that feels almost personal, almost deliberate. Picture yourself lying beneath a sky where this cosmic axis stretches, its pattern a soft whisper in the starlight. The axis of evil is like a lullaby, its mystery gentle and endless, a reminder that not every question needs an answer to be beautiful. Maybe it's a fluke, a multiverse scar, or a hint of the universe's hidden shape. Whatever it is, it wraps around you, soft and weightless, inviting you to rest in its embrace. The universe is vast, its secrets quiet and unending, offering a space for your thoughts to wander, to soften, to drift. Let's linger here a moment longer, floating in the quiet light of the axis of evil. The cosmos is a tapestry of wonders, things that align, things that elude, things that lull us into peace. The axis of evil is one such wonder, a tale that doesn't need solving to soothe the mind. It's a reminder that the universe is infinite, its secrets gentle and vast, offering a canvas for your dreams. As you listen, let your thoughts float like light in the cosmic background, carried by the soft rhythm of the heavens. The axis is out there, a gift of mystery for your mind. And so we leave this enigma behind, not answered but cherished. The universe is full of stories like this, each one a thread in the great weave of the unknown. Let the axis of evil guide you tonight, its strange alignment, a gentle lullaby for your thoughts. As we drift toward the next mystery, carry this calm with you, letting the cosmos hold you softly in its embrace. The stars are waiting, their secrets whispering, and you are already slipping closer to sleep. Imagine yourself drifting through the infinite reaches of the cosmos, surrounded by a vast darkness where stars are scarce, and the universe feels impossibly quiet. The heavens stretch out around you, serene and boundless, their mysteries calling softly to your mind. Tonight, we explore one of the strangest enigmas the cosmos holds, the void of Boötes. Picture an enormous region of space, 1 billion light-years across, so empty it defies our understanding of the universe's structure. This cosmic desert, hidden in the E constellation Boötes, is a silent expanse where galaxies are rare and matter seems to have vanished. What created this great void? Let's float into this mystery, letting its quiet wonder wrap around us like a gentle cosmic breeze. The universe is a tapestry of galaxies, stars, and gas clouds, woven together in a cosmic web of filaments, walls, and voids. These voids are regions with fewer galaxies, less matter, like bubbles in the cosmic foam. Most voids are small, a few million light-years across, but in 1981, astronomer Robert Kirshner and his team discovered something extraordinary while mapping the constellation Boötes. They found a region so vast and empty, it stood out against the universe's crowded backdrop. Named the Boötes Void or the Great Void, it spans roughly 1 billion light-years, one of the largest empty spaces ever observed, a cosmic abyss where the light of galaxies barely flickers. This void is not just a gap, it's a profound absence. Imagine a sphere of space so large it could hold millions of galaxies, yet contains only a handful, scattered like lone beacons in an endless night. The Boötes Void is estimated to have less than 1% of the matter density found in typical regions of the universe. Where we expect to see thousands of galaxies glowing with billions of stars, we find only a few dozen, their light faint and far apart. The universe's structure, built on the cosmic web, predicts voids, but none should be this vast, this empty. The Boötes Void challenges our models of how the cosmos formed, a silent enigma that whispers of secrets hidden in the dark. Astronomers were astonished by the discovery. Imagine pointing a telescope at a patch of sky, expecting a sea of galaxies, only to find a near-empty expanse stretching across billions of light-years. The void's size is staggering. Its diameter is about 10% of the observable universe, a scale that makes even the largest galaxy clusters seem small. Across it, light would take 1 billion years, traveling at 186,000 miles per second. Yet, within this vast emptiness, the few galaxies present are oddly normal, showing no signs of distortion or unusual behavior, as if the void's creation left them untouched. This normality only deepens the mystery, making the void's existence feel almost deliberate, like a cosmic canvas left blank. Scientists began to explore possible explanations, their minds drifting through the quiet depths of the cosmos. One theory suggests the Bootes void formed naturally, as part of the universe's early evolution. In the moments after the Big Bang, tiny fluctuations in density grew into the cosmic web, with matter clumping into filaments and walls, leaving voids in between. Over billions of years, gravity could have pulled matter away from the Bootes region, creating an unusually large void. But simulations of cosmic evolution struggled to produce a void this vast, as the universe's expansion should limit such extreme emptiness. The odds of forming a void, like Bootes, are vanishingly small, making it a statistical anomaly that defies expectation. Another idea proposes the void is a relic of a cosmic event, something extraordinary that cleared this region of space. Imagine a cataclysm in the early universe, perhaps a collision of massive structures or an outburst of energy, pushing matter outward and leaving an empty core. Some speculate that dark energy, the mysterious force driving the universe's expansion, might have acted unevenly in this region, accelerating matter away and creating the void. But dark energy is thought to be uniform across the cosmos, and no evidence suggests it could sculpt such a massive emptiness. The theory lingers, a dream-like vision of a universe shaped by forces we can't yet grasp. What if the Bootes void is more than a natural phenomenon? Some theorists venture into the realm of the fantastic, suggesting it could be the work of an advanced civilization. Imagine a species so powerful they cleared 1 billion light-years of space, perhaps to build a cosmic monument or harness the energy of countless galaxies, leaving the void as a byproduct. This idea stretches the imagination, as such a feat would require technology far beyond our comprehension, and no signs of artificial structures have been found. Yet, the thought of a purposeful void, a silent testament to a civilization's ambition, pulls us deeper into the mystery, like a whisper from the stars. Another possibility is that the void is an illusion, a trick of our observations. Imagine light from distant galaxies being bent or absorbed by unseen matter, making the region appear emptier than it is. But detailed surveys using radio, infrared, and X-ray telescopes confirm the void's low density, with fewer galaxies and less gas than expected. Some suggest it could be a series of smaller voids aligned along our line of sight, creating the appearance of a single massive emptiness. Yet the data points to a cohesive structure, a true void that challenges our understanding of the cosmic web. Astronomers continue to study the Bootes void, mapping its sparse galaxies and searching for clues to its origin. Imagine peering into this cosmic desert, where the few stars shine like distant lanterns in an endless night. Recent observations have found faint gas, clouds, and dwarf galaxies within the void, but they're too few to explain its emptiness. The void's galaxies are often older, with less star formation, as if the region was starved of the materials needed to birth new stars. This adds another layer to the mystery, suggesting the void's formation altered the evolution of its contents, a silent influence felt across billions of years. The void of Bootes is more than a cosmic anomaly. It's a reminder of how vast and mysterious the universe remains. Imagine floating through its emptiness, the stars far apart, the silence profound. Telescopes like the Hubble and James Webb have probed its edges, but the void's heart remains elusive, its secrets locked in its vast expanse. Future surveys may reveal more about its structure, perhaps finding hidden matter or subtle patterns that explain its origin. For now, it stands as a cosmic enigma, a place where the universe seems to pause, offering a quiet space for wonder. Picture yourself lying beneath a sky where the Bootes void looms, its emptiness a soft whisper in the starlight. The void is like a lullaby, its mystery gentle and endless, a reminder that not every question needs an answer to be beautiful. Maybe it's a natural quirk, a cosmic accident, or the mark of an unseen force. Whatever it is, it wraps around you, soft and weightless, inviting you to rest in its embrace. The universe is vast, its secrets quiet and unending, offering a space for your thoughts to wander, to soften, to drift. Let's linger here a moment longer, floating in the quiet emptiness of the Bootes void. The cosmos is a tapestry of wonders, things that vanish, things that elude, things that lull us into peace. The void of Bootes is one such wonder, a tale that doesn't need solving to soothe the mind. It's a reminder that the universe is infinite, its secrets gentle and vast, offering a canvas for your dreams. As you listen, let your thoughts float like lone galaxies in the void, carried by the soft rhythm of the heavens. The void is out there, a gift of mystery for your mind. And so, we leave this enigma behind, not answered, but cherished. The universe is full of stories like this, each one a thread in the great weave of the unknown. Let the void of Bootes guide you tonight, its silent expanse a gentle lullaby for your thoughts. As we drift toward the end of our journey, carry this calm with you, letting the cosmos hold you softly in its embrace. The stars are waiting, their secrets whispering, and you're already slipping closer to sleep. So, we reach the edge of our cosmic journey, drifting gently through the quiet, uncharted regions of the universe. Tonight, we've wandered among mysteries older than time itself, where answers fade into silence and the stars keep their ancient secrets close. These strange and beautiful enigmas, scattered like whispers across the fabric of space, remind us how vast, how unknowable, and how wonderfully mysterious our cosmos truly is. In every distant galaxy, in every point of light, there are questions still waiting to be asked. Somewhere beyond the curtain of our night sky, signals pulse from forgotten corners, patterns flicker in the void, and impossible structures defy the logic of what we believe to be real. It is here, in this gentle darkness, that curiosity softly lingers, not demanding answers, but content to wonder. As you lay quietly now, eyes growing heavier, let yourself drift in the warmth of that endless curiosity. Know that the universe has always been a keeper of secrets. From the silent orbits of rogue planets, to the magnetic echoes of dead stars, from the shadows of cold, ancient moons, to the boundless stretches beyond observable space, every unanswered mystery holds a quiet promise. A promise that there is always more to know, more to feel, and more to dream about. Let your thoughts become lighter than stardust. Imagine yourself floating gently, unbound by gravity, moving past shimmering clouds of color and light. Feel the soothing hush of empty space wrapping around you. A calm so deep it carries no sound, no pressure, only endless, infinite peace. In this cosmic stillness, you are no longer tethered to time, no longer confined by what is known. You are part of a boundless mystery yourself, a traveler on a quiet road that winds forever through the soft glow of the stars. As your breathing slows and your mind grows calm, think of those great questions that have followed humanity through the centuries. Are we truly alone, or are countless others watching the same distant galaxies, wondering the same things, drifting into sleep beneath different skies? What lies at the heart of a black hole, where even light cannot escape? How far does space stretch? And does it ever end? These thoughts are not burdens, but gentle companions on the edge of consciousness, softly carrying you into the deepest parts of your imagination. Feel the weight of the day lift and dissolve into the dark, like a comet's tail disappearing into the void. Let your thoughts scatter like particles of light, unburdened, free to roam among planets unnamed and mysteries unsolved. Each star you pass in your mind's eye is a tiny cradle of infinite stories, each one as strange and beautiful as the last. The universe does not hurry, and neither must you. Time moves differently in the silence between galaxies. Here, it flows like a soft current, carrying you through forgotten nebulae and past ancient suns. Here, there is no need for answers, no need for conclusions, only the gentle, endless unfolding of wonder. The mysteries remain as they always will, and in their quiet company, you are safe, you are calm, and you are home. Now, as your mind begins to drift beyond thought, let the gentle darkness cradle you. Know that somewhere in the great expanse, mysteries are still waiting, patiently, as they have for eons, and when you wake, they will still be there, quietly calling to the dreamers, the thinkers, and those who find comfort in the unknown. Sleep well, traveler of the stars. May your dreams carry you far, and may the mysteries of the cosmos forever watch over you.